In this video, I'll be demonstrating the new blinkers, which is something that I added to all the FDNY trucks in this latest update. To use the blinkers, you're going to hit the period or the comma key, comma for left and period for right. It'll enable the blinker and the blinkers stay on regardless of your lights being on and off. So before they were always on, the directional lights, and so the blinker will stay active until you let go of the turning key. So as soon as I let go of the left key, the blinker turns off. The more you know.